This video shows how to install the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth adapter. Gather the Wi-Fi adapter, adhesive pad, bracket, and screws from the kit. The spacer and alcohol wipe are not used for this printer. Remove the cover sheet from one side of the rectangular adhesive strip. Being careful to position it within the indented area on the adapter, press it firmly into place. Remove both adhesive cover sheets. Insert the bottom of the bracket into the slot on the adapter. Press the bracket onto the exposed adhesive strips. Insert the adapter's connector into the printer. Please make sure the printer is powered on. With the bracket held in position against the printer, secure it using the two screws. When the printer recognizes the adapter, the Wi-Fi adapter wizard appears. At the prompt, touch Continue. If your wireless network appears in the list, select it. Enter the password if needed. Follow the prompts to connect to the network. For more information, read the System Administrator Guide.